guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I am going to do a quick DIY for you, but extremely cute. I think it will make a very cute accessory for your vanity or your dresser in your bedroom, any place that you desire to put it. I think it's very feminine and adorable. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I truly appreciate your time, and I hope that you will decide to become a subscriber. Guys, what you're going to need for this project, everything is from the Dollar Tree, except for the pearls. These, I want to say I hauled it from a yard sale, actually. But you can get beads from Walmart, and they have really cute ones at Michael's and at Walmart. But I already have these, so this is what I'm going to work with. So you will need some pearls. You will need one of the Dollar Tree roses that they have made out of glass. I don't know if they have anymore. I haven't seen them lately. There were just a few in my Dollar Tree, but if you do have one, this idea will be very simple and beautiful. You will love to be able to recreate this idea. So you'll need the Dollar Tree candle holder and the rose. You will need a bowl, a Dollar Tree bowl. I don't know, it's very cloudy. It's brand new, I don't know, but you'll need one of the small fish bowls. Your pearls, and I'm thinking I'm going to use some of the gem pearls that I have. These you can haul from the Hobby Lobby, so I think I'm going to use some of those. You can use diamond wrap if you don't have those or you don't want to purchase it. And you will need one of these little rows from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack, and they light up really cute. They change each color. Okay, so you get 2 of them in a pack. You will need your glue gun and glue sticks. You also will need scissors. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and design your rose however way you desire. I'm basically going to outline my roses. I don't know if I want to do single or double. Let's see what the double looks like. Let's use the double. The double seems cute. So just start somewhere by adding your glue. Your glue down. Onto the rim of the edge of your rose. Okay, so this is what it will look like. I'm going to go ahead, go around and finish this up, come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so I absolutely love the way that turned out. I think it's gorgeous. And you know, it's the royal wedding this weekend, so lots of pearls and bling. So now I want to take my pearl and I want to fill the glass, not too high because I want to be able to place my rose inside. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my bowl. I'm going to continue to do that, and I'll be back to show you once I've gotten all the way around. Guys, I hope you can hear me. It has started to pour down. It's raining. So now I want to lay my glue down, and I am going to start with my small pearls on the outside. And try and be as straight as you can possibly be with this, because there's no margins there other than the pearls. So I'm going to take this all the way around. And hopefully I can keep it straight. I'm going to go ahead and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished adding the stones, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my candle on top. Now I'm also considering that if you wanted to, you could drop some lights down inside of this as well. I think it'll be perfectly fine if you add lights in there. Now I'm going to go ahead, turn this on, put this in, and I think that is absolutely fabulous. I'm going to take it inside, place it where you're able to see the light much better, and possibly put another light inside. Alright? Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it looks great. Give me a thumbs up if you do, if you agree. Share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your support, your time, and I look forward to seeing you on my next DIY.